Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do transfer from Wise to Barclays Bank. So it is pretty simple and easy. Just open up your Wise account and here click on the payments. Here in the payments click on the send. Here you'll need to search for currencies, so it will be probably a British pound. And here click on bank details, click who's your recipient, select local bank and enter your uh, details that you have, like UK sort code, account number, email, and etc. And as you can see, here you can select the recipient's bank details from the local bank to IBAN or SWIFT. And that's pretty much it. As you can see, log into your Wise account, set up a new transfer. Then you will need to click on account holder name, your name as registered with Barclays, sort code, account number, your Barclays account number, enter the transfer amount, like how much you want to send, and Wise will show fees, exchange rate, and estimated arrival time, and you will be able to send the money. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.